Choosing the best portable Bluetooth speaker can be a daunting task with the sheer number of options available today. Whether you're gearing up for a camping trip, a trip to the beach, or a backyard barbecue, finding the right speaker that offers sound quality, durability, and portability is essential. To help you navigate this crowded market, we've tested dozens of Bluetooth speakers at a variety of price points. We've listed the 5 best Bluetooth speakers for you. Number 5. Anker Soundcore 3. The Anker Soundcore 3, a speaker under the Soundcore brand known for its high-quality audio performance, delivers 16 watts of power and offers both wired and wireless connectivity options. Whether you're at home, at the beach, or in nature, it provides an exceptional sound experience. This waterproof speaker features dual drivers with pure titanium diaphragms extending up to 40 kHz, allowing you to hear even the finest treble details without distortion. Additionally, 2 passive radiators and enhanced bass-up technology deliver a powerful bass experience even at low volumes. With 16 watts of stereo sound, you can enjoy your music in a richer and more immersive way. Adding atmosphere to any setting, this speaker makes your music sound more vibrant and powerful. Thanks to its long battery life, you can listen to music for up to 24 hours or roughly 480 songs on a single charge. It won't let you down during weekend getaways or long days. With the Soundcore app, you can personalize your listening experience by adjusting the speaker's sound output to your taste and sharing your music with loved ones. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including projectors, laptops, gaming consoles, personal computers, and smartphones, this speaker meets all your entertainment needs. The Soundcore 3 earns its spot on our list with its powerful and clear sound quality, long battery life, and durability. Number 4. Tribit StormBox Micro 2. This compact yet powerful Bluetooth speaker delivers explosive outdoor sound with its 10-watt output that defies its size. Thanks to its 48mm NFEB driver, passive radiators, and exclusive X-Bass technology, it surprises with dynamic sound and incredible bass. One of the standout features of the StormBox Micro 2 is its impressive battery life, provided by RunStretch technology, giving you up to 12 hours of playtime. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just hanging out in the backyard, this small speaker will keep you entertained all day long. But that's not all. This speaker is also a versatile power bank equipped with Tribit's Smart ID technology. With the built-in USB-C port, you can charge your phone, tablet, or other accessories on the go. Designed for the outdoors, the StormBox Micro 2 has an IP67 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about splashes or accidental drops into water. Plus, with its built-in strap, you can attach it to your backpack, bike handlebars, or even a tree branch. As for connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3 provides a super stable connection up to 120 feet, ensuring a low-latency, uninterrupted listening experience. Pair 2 StormBox Micro 2 speakers together to enjoy immersive stereo sound for an even more fun outdoor gathering. Number 3. Sonos Roam. This powerful speaker delivers excellent sound quality with a 10-watt output. You'll experience deep bass and clear treble with its 5 Hz frequency response, allowing you to enjoy music in any setting. The Sonos Roam features both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning you can stream music over Wi-Fi at home and switch to Bluetooth on the go. It's also rechargeable via USB and offers up to 10 hours of playtime, making it a reliable companion for every trip. Constructed from durable polycarbonate, this speaker is dust-proof, making it perfect for outdoor use. It also supports multi-room audio and has a built-in microphone for voice command control. You can easily manage it through the Sonos app, voice commands, and Apple AirPlay 2. Compatible with both smartphones and tablets, the Sonos Roam seamlessly integrates with your mobile devices. Whether you're at home or outdoors, you can enjoy your music anywhere with this speaker. If you're looking for a portable, high-resolution, and versatile speaker, the Sonos Roam is an ideal choice. Number 2. Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 3. Coming in at number 2 on our list is this small yet impressive Bluetooth speaker that delivers big 360-degree sound with just a 5-watt output. Despite its compact size, the WONDERBOOM 3 offers a larger, longer, and more efficient sound experience. Plus, this mini-party speaker provides up to 14 hours of continuous music playback, allowing you to enjoy your tunes without worrying about recharging. One of the standout features of the WONDERBOOM 3 is its booming bass and expansive 360-degree sound. Simply press the outdoor boost button for great sound in outdoor settings. With an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, you can take this speaker to the pool, beach, or even the shower. It can even float on water. Pair 2 WONDERBOOM. 3 speakers for louder sound and true stereo experience. Press once to double the sound, and press again to get true left and right stereo sound from each speaker. This speaker excels in portability and durability, featuring a 131-foot, 40-meter wireless range and resistance to dust and drops. Its convenient loop lets you take it anywhere. Plus, it's made from eco-friendly recycled plastic. If you're looking for a powerful, durable, and portable Bluetooth speaker, the Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 3 is perfect for you. Number 1 JBL Flip 6. Topping our list is this powerful Bluetooth speaker, delivering crystal clear and powerful JBL Pro sound with a 30-watt output. Its specially designed racetrack-shaped woofer provides exceptional low and mid-range frequencies, while the separate tweeter delivers clear and crisp high frequencies. You'll also feel the deep bass thanks to the dual passive radiators. The Flip 6's portable design allows for easy transport while delivering big sound, whether you're by the pool or at the park. Plus, with its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, you can use it safely in any environment. The JBL Flip 6 offers up to 12 hours of playtime, so you can enjoy your music for a long time without worrying about recharging. Additionally, with wireless Bluetooth streaming, you can connect 2 smartphones or tablets to the speaker simultaneously and take turns playing music. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and water-resistant Bluetooth speaker, the JBL Flip 6 is perfect for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.